Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. There are two groups of balls. If we take two from the first group, and put them into the second, the number of balls in the first group is twice as many as in the second group. Now we move back these two balls, and then further take another 4 balls from the second group, and put them into the first. The number of the first group becomes 5 times that of the second group. If we expect the number of balls in the first group to become 8 times that of the second group, how many extra balls from the second group do we need to further move to the first group? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. This is a practice for the students in the 6th grade. In principle, it is not expected that the students in this grade can master the linear equations in 2 variables. On the other hand, this question would be too easy if equations could be used. We write down 2 equations based on the 2 known conditions, and find the number of balls in each group before the first moving. Calculate the total number of balls. Divide them into 2 parts according to ratio of 8:1, and find the remaining balls in the second group at the end. Subtract the 4 removed from the original number in the second group, and then subtract the remaining ones at the end, that is the number of the extra balls that need to be further moved. So easy, right? Therefore, the point is actually, how to analyze this question without the knowledge of equations. We now analyze this question, by regarding the state after the first moving of the 2 balls from the first to the second group as the initial state. At this point, there are twice as many balls in the first group as in the second. How can we make the number in the first group 5 times that in the second group, if we don't move the balls anymore? We can add the same number of balls as the second group to the first group, for a total of 3 times. This becomes 5 times. But the total number of balls has increased. Let's find a way to restore this total number. According to the original plan, the 6 balls in the second group should be moved. This time, we will remove them rather than move them. In order to keep the number in the first group 5 times as many as the second, we'll remove 6 balls for a total of 5 times over there. Therefore, in total 36 balls are removed. Now, 6 balls are removed from the second group, effectively the same as described by the known conditions. The first group has 5 times as many as the second group, which is also effectively the same as the known conditions. The total number of balls remains the same. Then the 36 balls removed are the same as the number of balls added before. As they are added for 3 times, then 12 balls are added each time. That is to say, there were initially 12 balls in the second group, and 24 balls in the first group. After moving 6, there are 6 balls in the second group, and 30 in the first group. Now in order to make number in the first group 8 times as many as that in the second group, we divide the 30 plus 6 balls into 9 parts. One of them has 4, which is the number that ends up in the second group. What needs to be further moved is 6 minus 4, which equals 2. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.